They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. But what if those words are a lie? What if the most famous painting in the world is a meticulously crafted deception? A code hidden in plain sight. For centuries we've gazed upon the Mona Lisa, mesmerized by her enigmatic smile, but we've been looking at the surface, blind to the secrets buried beneath. Now we're about to peel back the layers of history, to decode a forbidden truth that will shatter everything you thought you knew. Are you ready to see what's hidden in the shadows? A whisper echoes through time, a secret etched in layers of paint and coated in the very fabric of genius. It begins with a single image, a canvas that defied its own frame, a portrait that became a legend, the Mona Lisa. But what if the Mona Lisa we know is a mere veil, a meticulously crafted illusion concealing a truth so dangerous it was buried for centuries? Imagine a man, driven by an obsession, a relentless pursuit of perfection, a mind that saw the world in intricate patterns and hidden symbols. Leonardo da Vinci, a master of art and enigma, left behind more than just masterpieces. He left behind a labyrinth of secrets. We are told it's a portrait of a woman, a simple depiction of beauty. But what if it's a confession? A testament to a forbidden love, a coded message that could shatter the very foundations of history. The smile, that enigmatic curve of the lips, has captivated and baffled for generations. Some dismiss it as mere paint, a trick of light. But what if it's a mask, a carefully constructed facade hiding a profound emotional truth? Consider the man himself, a recluse, a master of deception. A man who wrote backwards, who encoded his notes, who hid his true self behind layers of calculated mystery. Why? What secrets was he so desperate to protect? Now peer closer. Beyond the surface, beneath the layers of pigment, a hidden world begins to emerge. Through cutting-edge technology, we can glimpse what Da Vinci concealed. Faint figures, cryptic numbers, letters etched in the very eyes of the subject. L and S. A 72. A town shrouded in medieval lore. Bobbio. These are not mere details. They're keys to a puzzle. A code left by a man who knew the danger of his truth. The number 72, linked to a ravaged bridge, a historical echo of destruction and restoration. L, perhaps for Leonardo himself. But S? Who was this S, this phantom who haunted Da Vinci's life? Could it be Salai, the mischievous apprentice, the little devil, the rumored lover? What if the Mona Lisa is not a woman at all, but a disguised portrait of this forbidden love? What if the name itself is a code, a linguistic twist, Mon Salai, my Salai, a declaration hidden in plain sight? Imagine the risk, the danger of revealing such a truth in a time when love between men was a crime punishable by death. Da Vinci, a master of illusion, had to hide his secret, to encode his love in the very fabric of his art. But the secrets don't end there. Da Vinci's other works, like The Last Supper, hold their own mysteries, mirrored messages, hidden melodies, and a chilling suggestion of a darker alliance. Is it coincidence, or is Da Vinci hinting at something far more sinister? The one-eye symbol, a mark associated with ancient prophecies and shadowy organizations, appears in his work. Is it a mere artistic flourish, or a deliberate signal, a warning, a confession? Mirror the Mona Lisa, manipulate its perspective, and a strange, almost spectral presence emerges. A distortion that whispers of something beyond human comprehension. Is it a trick of the light, or a glimpse into a hidden dimension? Da Vinci was a genius, a visionary, a man who defied the limits of his time. But was he also a man driven by a secret? A man who risked everything to leave behind a legacy of forbidden love and coded truth? We are not just looking at a painting. We are deciphering a puzzle, unraveling a mystery that has haunted the world for centuries. What do you see when you look at the Mona Lisa? Do you see a woman, a masterpiece, or a cipher of shadows? A testament to a love that dared to defy the boundaries of time and morality. The truth is out there, waiting to be revealed, if you dare to look closer.